Fire extinguishers are a safe, effective tool for extinguishing fires. With the first sight of any fire, raise an alarm to make others aware, and remember the acronym PASS. PASS helps you remember how to use an extinguisher in an emergency and not forget the process when the flames may preoccupy your mind. Firstly, P is for pull. Pull the pin from the extinguisher. This pin, or sometimes an anti-tamper seal, is there to ensure the extinguisher doesn't accidentally get discharged when not in use. A. Aim. Grab the nozzle and aim at the base of the fire. Make sure you're a safe distance away from the fire. S. Squeeze. By squeezing the handles together, you will discharge the extinguishing agent from the unit. Finally, sweep the nozzle back and forth at the base of the fire and extinguish the flames from the bottom. Don't leave until you are sure the fire is completely out. For more information, visit firechiefglobal.com, making the world a safer place.